Welcome to Ikigai Meditations. The aim for this guided meditation is to focus your mind, achieve a state of relaxation, and connect with your inner wisdom. Make sure that you are in a comfortable space and won't be disturbed. You can either sit or lie down, whatever feels comfortable. Close your eyes and start by taking 3 deep cleansing breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. With each inhale, imagine a beautiful white light entering your body, covering each and every cell. And with each exhale, release all stagnant energies. Allow your body to sink deeper into relaxation with each breath. If you'd like, you can take a deep sigh to relax even more. Imagine yourself in a peaceful place, free from distraction and worries. Wherever you are, you start to feel a warmth beginning to stir in your chest. The feeling is very calming and relaxing. You notice that it is a white light shining and glowing softly. It keeps growing bigger and bigger. As it is growing, you can feel it shredding away parts of your life that is no longer needed. It expands until your whole body is surrounded with a glowing, bright, white light. It is warm and cozy. It is like you are inside of a cocoon. Just resting. You have no worries here, as all of those negative parts have been shredded away by the white light. Something magical is starting to happen. The white light around you slowly fades away. And you can feel yourself transforming into something very beautiful with bright colored wings. You realize that you are transforming into a magnificent butterfly and are now fluttering around in a peaceful garden. You see everything from a different perspective. The flowers looks bigger than what you are used to. You are having a lot of fun flying around, exploring everything. Use all of your 5 senses to fully experience everything around you. What does it look like? Is there a taste in your mouth? Perhaps there is a smell. What sounds do you hear? And how do you feel being a butterfly? You see a beautiful yellow flower and decide to go and sit on it. and with your mouth that functions like a straw, you start to drink the nectar from this beautiful flower. What does it taste like? Is it bitter? Whatever it is, you are really enjoying it, and know that you are doing this perfectly. As you drink the nectar from the flower, a message starts to flow into you, bringing a sense of clarity and wisdom. Go ahead and receive your message. Once you have received your message, you decide to explore the garden some more. While fluttering around, you realize that it is time to express yourself more fully and show your colorful personality to the world, and to release any expectations of what is to come next or what the outcome might be. Rather, embrace these changes as they come. For one last time, fly around the garden and feel how light you feel in the sky. You can now, in your own time, gently come back into the present moment. Feel your feet and legs come to life. Feel your hands and arms come to life. Gently move your head around. And when you are are ready, slowly open your eyes, fully alert and feeling free like a butterfly.